got to let the crowd know that you're up and mobile and all okay somehow, and you all know I'm a bit of a show pony, so got to do something for the crowd to make them laugh.
Taylor Lamb trying to block him. Got one up and over, big time, Kyle Rowe. Wow! 79. Holy hicker!
Big shout out to Puck and Bruce Robinson and everything for the track that they've put on. Top effort to Robertson Holden International Speedway for that.
They all look to go up the inside again of Johnny Brown, the 95. And look at this, Winston gets tangled up with Myers. And Myers is up and over. McLeod's involved in that. Lucius Hayes involved. What escape you? Tom says the track is blocked. The track is blocked. 853. A big shot there for more. Big shot of the 358. Rebecca Barr gets to climb over a few cars. McRobbie's going to kick the boot underneath. Could be a big shot, he is. Wallace is up and over. The race leader's gone. Wow, it's all on here. Here we go. Sauce leaves himself wide open. And McRobbie just gets him in the sweet spot.
Tell you what, he's upside down and those digs into him. That stopped him pretty fast.
And goes off, big shot coming in here. Wu-Tang. And good shot there from Collingwood. Big shot for Bingston, we got a one up. He's going to move into that running roll. Bingston, a good block man. And William Humphries once again followed in by Tim Ross. Peter Rees goes, he's got, keep going, Bingers. Oh, shot there from William Humphries to the back of the 31. Big shot by Bingston. Oh, here off the end. Oh, huge shot. He keeps it pinned in the Vendetta. Off the end goes Ashby. Oh, sparks are flying. Wayne Hemi, give it a round of applause, folks. Get on your feet. His last team race, Wayne Hemi takes the win. Oh, Jordan Deere's up and over. Kerry Remnant. Kerry Remnant's on top. Kerry Remnant with the thumbs up. He's pumped as well. Look at him, here he goes, Kerry Remnant.
23 times he's appeared at this meeting.
Make it 24, Malcolm. How good, Kerry Remnant, folks. Wayne Hemi's already taken the race win. And look at that.
I bet he enjoyed that more than Married at First Sight.
Handshakes all round.